Yes, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Very good. At last, we are ending the chapter. That is, this is the last chapter that I am going to teach you for this academic year. I may do revision, that is different, but syllabus wise, this is the last chapter, that is construction, geometrical constructions. So in this construction, why we are calling it as geometrical constructions? So we have to see here. Yes, if you see this, all the new types, geometrical constructions. See, there is a lot of difference between constructing and rough figure. Rough figure means what? For example, draw a 90 degrees, that's all, we will draw. If you measure, it may be 90 degrees or 1 or 2 degrees may be less, right or not? This is a rough figure. But when you do with geometrical instruments, 100% 90 means it will become 90 only. It will not become any angle. Okay, na? Yes. So before going to start the portion, let us know what are the instruments in the geometry box. The first one is ruler. Ruler is also known as scale. What is that? Scale. Why the scale will be used? It is used to join the 2 points or to draw a line segment. For example, here one point is there, here one point. If you put and you can join these 2 lines. Okay, na? For that purpose also scale will be or ruler will be used. Next, here 2 are there but same, but only thing is here one end pencil will be there, one end sharp, and here 2 ends are sharp. This is known as divider. Divider means, for example, here one line segment, here one line segment I have drawn. I should know that whether this is greater or this is greater. At that time, what I will do, I will put the like this. And next time it will be like this. That means what? This is greater than this. Did you understand? Okay. Therefore divide. And it will divide also. You can divide the line segment also. Now compass. Compared to this compass is very important for us. Because to draw arcs, to cut the circle, to construct angles. With the help of compass and ruler, we can construct the angles also. How to construct, I will show this. Okay, na? Next, set square. With set square, we can't draw any angles, but one right angle only we can draw, and remaining we can draw perpendicular lines as well as parallel lines. You know that these lines are parallel and perpendicular means like this. So one line is like this, means one line. These two are parallel lines. Okay, na? Yes. Therefore, in this, both are 90 degrees only, but here 30 degrees, here 60. Here it is nothing but both. It has same 2 angles. That is isosceles right angle. Isosceles right angle. Isosceles means 2 angles are same. Right angle means one angle will be 90 degrees. And the last one is protractor. Protractor is useful to draw angles or to measure the angles. To draw the angles or to measure. One and the same. Okay, na? Yes. So therefore, these 5 instruments, 4 instruments are very important. One is ruler, next to divider, compass, and these 2 are friends, set squares, and the last one is a protractor. Okay, na? If you open your geometry box, you will come to know all these in your geometry box and their work. Did you understand? Yes. Next, we will see how to construct sides, how to construct angles. Very important. Okay, na? Right. For example, let me start with the angles. Let me start with angles. Okay. For example, I have to construct 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, like this degrees. There is no problem at all. For everything, there is only one solution like this. First, you draw any line segment. Now take compass. Compass no or not? Yes. Keep sharp edge here. Draw a semicircle. If you draw semicircle like this, again by keeping on this, you divide into three parts. Three parts. Why means? Yes. The total angle will be 180 by 3. It is nothing but one angle will be 360 degrees. Sorry. 60 degrees like this, and like this. Therefore, 60, this is 120, and this is 180 degrees. Did you understand? This first one is 60, from here to here 120, total angle is 180. Very simple. See now, this first you see this, from here and from here, you just draw a mark like this. From here you cut the dot. When you join, yes, if you join properly, it will come 90 degrees. How much it is? 90 degrees. Now I show very clearly. Yes. Yes. See now, this is, yes. If you show, it is 0 degrees, 180, here 180, here 0, it is 90 degrees. This is the angle. Now bisect it from here to here like this, from here to here angle like this. Therefore, it will become 45 degrees. It is also 45. Therefore, it is 45 degrees. Okay, na? Next, when you bisect like this, again you will get 22.5. But here, when you draw the same, it will become like this. So this is nothing but 60 degrees. When you half from here to here, here to here, it is nothing but 30 degrees. This is 60. When you do like this, it is 75. When you do like this, it is 1, yes, 20. If you do like this, 105. If you do like this, yes, 150. If you do like this, 135. If you do like this, 135. Okay? Yes. Like this, total angles you can draw. Yes. That means what? Yes. 15 degrees, 30, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, 90 degrees, 105 degrees, 120 degrees, 135 degrees, 150 degrees, 165 degrees, and 180 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total we can draw 12 angles. 12 angles means 15 into 12. It is nothing but 180 degrees. Therefore, each difference will be 15. That means what I told, the angles we can construct using this compass and ruler or this multiples of 15. That is 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, 180. Therefore, there are 12 angles are possible to construct which are multiples of 15. Which are not multiples of 15, it is not possible to construct with ruler and compass. We can directly construct with the protractor. Did you understand? Yes. Now, like this, we can construct the angles. Now, one more important aspect is, many students will confuse to construct the angles. at left side and right side. How to construct? So very simple. I will show both. See, for example, I have to construct 60 degrees. Yes, very simple. First I will construct on the left side, then I will construct on the right side. A, B. For example, angle A equal to 60 degrees I have to construct. Very simple. Left side means we should take left side only. Now take. First to take any radius and draw one semicircle. Afterwards, with the same radius, by keeping on this, you just divide into 3 equal parts. So when you divide it means what happens? 180 divided by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees. Therefore, each angle will be 60. That's all, 60 degrees. Sometimes what happens, if you observe the protractor, if you, for example, like this, it is 60 degrees also is there, and one more angle 120, same line. If you do like this, it will be 120. If you are seeing the right side, it will be 60. But both are lying on the same line only. 60 also will be there, 120 also will be there. So here also, yes. Here also 60 will be there, 120. 120 means from here to here 120. 60 means from only this only 60 degrees like this. Okay na? So this is very important. Now left side. How to construct 60 degrees on the right side? Very simple. I told you, yes, cut 60 degrees. Okay na? If you want to construct 120 degrees, this is 120. Okay, so construction of angles is very important. Whether we should construct on right side or left side, that is not so important. But constructing the perfect angle is very important. Okay, na? Right. After learning how to construct the angles, just to recall, I will recall what we learned in 7th standard, 6th standard. Very simple. In 6th standard, we have just taken the line segments and we divided this. Divided means more than half, again more than half, from here again half, from more than half. That means what? We divided this into 2 equal parts. For example, 8 means 4 and 4 like this. This is known as side bisector or perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Did you understand? And for example, how to bisect the angle, that also we will learn. Okay? For example, it is 70 degrees. AOB is 70. Now bisect the angle or bisect 70 degrees. One question will come for 2 marks question. Very simple. Take one compass, you draw one arc from here. Again repeat the same thing. That's all. So this is also 35. This is also 35. This is side bisector and this is angular bisector. Bisector means what? It will divide into 2 equal parts. Did you understand? Yes. So very simple. Only thing is we should understand angles. Okay, right. Next. So last year we constructed different types of triangles. Okay, triangles. That also I will recall triangles. For example, in triangles we have all sides given, 2 sides including the angle given, 2 angles and including the side given. These 3 are very important. First one is all sides given, 2 sides 1 angle and 2 angles 1 side. So we can construct a triangle. I will show how to construct. For example, base BC or ABC or anything 7 centimeters. And for example, we will see the problem AB equal to 6, BC equal to 7, AC equal to 5 centimeters. Very, very simple. Now BC we have taken. That is what BC completed. Now the point is on the upside, that is A, because AB and BC. AB how much is there? 6 centimeters. Take compass, take 6 centimeters. Keeping on B, draw one arc. That's all. Next, taking 5 as radius on the with the compass, keeping on C and cut this arc over. Therefore, this is nothing but A. Now, triangle ABC has become BC 7, 6 and 5. This is the construction of triangle when all the sides are given. Okay, right. One more. One more thing we can. Now, two angles, two sides given. For example, AB is equals to 7 centimeters. Angle B equal to 60 degrees. And BC equal to 8 centimeters. Very simple. Okay, na? Any one you take. Okay, I will take B means BC. I will take BC. How many centimeters? 8 centimeters. Now angle B, how much it is? 60 degrees. Now 60 means what happened? Yes, cut. That's all. This is 60 degrees. Now AB how much is there? 7 centimeters. From here take 7 centimeters radius. Keep one end on B. Cut this over. Cut. This is nothing but A, and it is 7 centimeters. Automatically it will be, yes. How much will be? There is no problem. Therefore here what? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So two sides including the angle. If two sides given, here angle given means not possible. Did you understand? Two sides including the side only given means only possible. Otherwise it is not possible. Third one. Yes. Angle B 60 degrees, angle C 45 degrees, BC equal to 7 centimeters. So very simple. Yes. Now only side has given BC 7 centimeters. Angle B, yes. Cut. It is 60 degrees. Next, angle C 45 degrees. Angle C 45 means cut like this. Then it is like this. Now bisect over. This is 45 degrees. This is equal. Therefore, what happened? Two angles including the side. This is the construction. Okay, na? Yes. So these three types of constructions you have seen in the 8th standard. Okay, 7th standard. Sorry. Now in 8th standard, what we are going to learn, that is very important. In this, first one is quadrilaterals. In these quadrilaterals, see, for example, if you want to construct a quadrilateral, how many elements are required? The elements required means given points, whether 4 are, 5 are, 6 are, we'll see like this. Elements required to construct quadrilateral: 4, 5, 6 and 3. This is the multiple choice question. So for example, we will take the rough figure A, B, C, D. 10 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters. Now construct this. Okay, na? Shall we construct? Yes. Now how to construct? Very simple. We'll see. Base BC taken. How many centimeters? 7 centimeters. Now AB is 5 centimeters. AB 5 centimeters means AB, if I am taking 5 centimeters over like this. Here BC is 4 centimeters. 4 means 7 centimeters. Sorry, it is 5. It is 4. Okay, right. That's all. Okay, na? Where both are intersecting, they are intersecting at two different points. Which point you will take? Not possible. That means what? To construct a quadrilateral, 4 elements are with the help of 4 elements. It is not possible to construct. Instead of 4, if I have taken 5, 100% you will get it, because AB will draw, BC will draw, like this you will draw. One more. Yes? So, how many elements are required to construct quadrilateral? Yes. What is the answer? Yes. We want 5 elements to construct a quadrilateral. Did you understand? Yes. Just simply I will show one problem, then you will understand. Yes. Quadrilateral PQRS. PQ equal to 4 centimeter, QR 7 centimeter, RS 5 centimeter, PS 5.5 centimeter and PRE 7 centimeter. Now total how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First we should draw rough diagram. So rough diagram however you want you can draw. How? P, Q, R, S. Now PQ how much is there? 4. QR 7, RS 5, this is PS 5.5 and PR 7 centimeters. That's all. Now, whichever base you want, you can take. Whichever base you want. PS you can take, SR you can take, RQ you can take, and PQ also you can take. Okay, I will take PQ. Okay, na? Now first observe, afterwards I will tell. Like so we will do PQ. How many centimeters PQ? 4 centimeters. Okay, na? How many centimeters PQ? 4 centimeters. Next PQR. R is there. What is the PR? 7 centimeters. Take your compass. Compass. Yes? Skyward. Otherwise, what you will say? Yes? What you will say? Kannada, I don't know. Okay. Now, PR. How many centimeters? 7 centimeters. P as center, draw an arc. Next, consult to R. QR. How much is there? This is also, yes. QR, how much is there? 7. Okay, 7 centimeters. This is also 7. 7 means like this. So it is nothing but what? R. Yes. Now PQR. SR, how much is there? SR. 5 centimeters. Okay, na? 5 centimeters. From here you draw an arc of 5 centimeters. Now PS is there 5.5. Take compass and take 5.5. Keep on this. Oh, that much. Oh, so this is nothing but yes. 5.5, 5.5, 5, 7, 7. So this is the construction of a triangle when four sides and one diagonal given. Okay, na? Four sides and one diagonal given. Next one, three sides and two diagonals. Three sides and two diagonals given. How to construct? So I am explaining one by one so that you will understand. Okay, na? Exercise problem we will do next class. There is no problem, right? Okay. Now see, for example, ABCD, AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 6.5 centimeter, CD equal to 6 centimeters, AC equal to 8 centimeter, and BD equal to 7.5 centimeters. First I told you we should draw rough diagram. Rough diagram, however you want, you can draw A, B, C and D. Okay? AB how much is there? 5 centimeters. BC 6.5. CD 6 centimeters. Next AC 8 centimeters and BD, yes, 7.5. Now which thing or which side we should take base? That is very, very important. Some fellows will tell, sir, will take AD. AD measurement only not there. So we can't take. So you can take AB or BC or CD. Three options you have. So which we will take? Okay, we will take a BC. How much BC? 6.5. Here B, here C. How many centimeters? 6.5 centimeters. Next, BA. BA how much is there here? 5 centimeters. From here 5 centimeters. AC how much is there? 8. From here you cut. It is nothing but A and C. 8 centimeters. Now ABC over. Now AD how much is there? AD. Otherwise BD how much is there? You see BD how much? 7.5. From here you draw an arc. 7.5. CD 6 centimeters. You take the C as center and cut it. Yes. Now over. Just you join AD. This is nothing but AD how much we don't know. Okay na? So this is the construction of quadrilateral when three sides and two diagonals are given. Okay na? Yes. Yes, one more. When three sides and two angles given, very, very simple. So for example, if you construct, if your rough diagram is like this, P, Q, R, S. Okay na? So very simple. For example, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeters. Okay na? Yes. This angle. Now three sides and two angles. Okay, anyone, no problem. Here automatically will come. For example, this is 8.5, this is 60 degrees and this is 40 degrees. Okay. If three sides and two angles given, how to construct? Very, very simple. You see. Shall we construct? Nice. Very simple. First you take PS. PS with the ruler, how many centimeters? 8 centimeters. Okay na? Yes. Next. Angle P, how much is there here? 45 degrees. 45 degrees means what I told. First you draw a semicircle. Next cut 3 parts. Next 90 degrees. Now bisect from here time it will be 45 degrees. This is PS. Above P what is there? Q. How much it is? 6 centimeters. From here you cut. It is Q. Okay na? Next one. SR how much? Angle S how much is there? 60 degrees. Yes. It is nothing but 60 degrees like this. Okay na? Yes. Now how many centimeters it is? 8.5. For example, it will cut. Yes, it will cut like this. This is nothing but PQS. So this is the, now see, these two angles given, this is side given, this side given, this side given. This is the construction of, yes, this is the construction of quadrilateral PQRS. Okay na? Yes. Next to last in this, 3 angles and 2 sides given. 3 angles and 2 sides. Very simple. It is very important also. 2 sides and 3 angles. Very simple. For example, AB equal to 4.5 centimeter, B equal to 6 centimeters. Angle A equal to 45, angle B equal to 75, okay, angle D equal to 100 degrees. Now construct this. So very simple. First rough diagram. However you want, you can draw rough diagram. That is A, B, C and D. AB how much? 4.5. BC how much? 6 centimeters. Angle A 45. Angle B 75. Angle D 100. Now tell me how to construct this. Anyone? Yes, anyone please? Very simple. How to construct this? Any angle you can construct. How? Yes? Here. You can draw. 100 plus 45, 145. 145 plus 75, 120. 120 means this is 60 degrees. Okay na? Now you can draw very simply. So we will take like this. Shall we take? Yes. No problem. Start with the AB. A angle 45, B angle 75. Okay na? A angle 45, B angle 75. A is 45 like this. Therefore half means it is 45. B angle how much? 75. This is 75. Therefore 60 means 75. It is like this. Okay. Now 75. Here 6 centimeters is there. 6 centimeters you cut. This is C. Now from here how many degrees? 60 degrees. 60 degrees means it will be like this. Therefore you cut like this. So A, B, C, D. So this is 60 degrees. Okay na? This is B, 75 degrees, 45 degrees. Automatically how much it is? 100 degrees. Okay na? So this is 2 sides and 3 angles. Next, instead of quadrilateral, instead of quadrilateral, if rectangle square given, construct a square of side 6 centimeter square. How to construct a square? Very simple. First you take 6 centimeters. Any AB 6 centimeters. We know that in a square all sides are equal. Therefore, all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. Now, we'll see now. Yes, 2, again like this, again like this. Okay. Now, 6 centimeter means over. Like this 6 over. Therefore, ABCD is a square. Then parallelogram. In this parallelogram also you want 3. AB equal to 6 centimeters. BC is 5 centimeter. Any angle you can give. Any angle. Angle B is 75 degrees over. That's all. Remaining there is no problem. Okay? We'll draw. Very simple. First one you take BC. BC. How many centimeters? 5 centimeters. Angle B how much? 75. When you divide this, it is 60. Therefore 70 will be like this. Yes. It is 75 degrees. After 75 degrees, yes, this is 5 centimeters means this is BC. How much it is? BC is 5. AB is how much? 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. This is A. Here 75 means what about this angle? Anyone? Yes, 105. Why? Sum of these two angles will be 180. 180 minus 75. Therefore, angle C will be automatically 105 degrees. So 60, 90. So 120 means 105. It is 105. From here to here it is 6 centimeters. It is D over. That's all. It is 105 means this also 105. This is 75 means this also 75. Therefore, this is the required parallelogram. Okay, na? One more is there, that is yes, rhombus and rectangle. Very simple. Yes. Rectangle, very important. Rectangle means what? In rectangle we know that opposite sides are equal. These two are like this and these two are like this, and all angles are equal to 90 degrees. That means what? If they have given AB equal to 7 and BC equal to 4.5 centimeter, enough it is. Okay na? So how to draw this? First BC or AB, however you want, AB 7 centimeters, 90 degrees, cut into 3 parts, again cut like this. Now BC how much? 4.5. 4.5 you cut here, from here also 4.5 cut. This is AB, C, D, it is 4.5, it is 7 centimeter. Next one is rhombus. In rhombus, we know that all sides are equal and two diagonals. We can construct if only sides given, two diagonals only given also we can construct. We will construct how? Only two diagonals. Two diagonals. How? First you construct, you draw one diagonal. We know that two diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Very simple. Now you bisect. Take more than half bisect. For example, one is AC is 4.8 degree, 4.8 centimeter, and BD is 5.4 centimeters. Very simple. From here, divide by 2, you do 2.7. From here, 2.7. From here, 2.7. Oh. Now join this. Oh. So this is our rhombus. 2.7, 2.7. 2.4, 2.4. For example, side given, side and one diagonal given, no problem. First you take diagonal. AC one diagonal. Okay na? Now we know that diagonals bisect each other. Draw diagonals like this. 100% they will be diagonal like this. Now side has given AC is 4.8 centimeter and AB is 3 centimeters or 4 centimeters. From here you cut 4 centimeter. Here also 4 centimeter. Over. This is 2.4, 2.4 and this is 4, 4, 4. Okay na? So like this constructions we have. So these are the different constructions for your level. So we have only quadrilaterals, parallelogram, square, rectangle and rhombus. Only these 5 things are there. In the next class we will solve exercise. Okay, have a good day. God bless you.